Okay, I'm not really sure if this is recording or not. We'll find out later. But I'm going to try to do a train ride. The train's in the station. Hit medium speed and going. Now we're going back to the other city, heading for Baltimore from south. This is Transport 360. I just want you to see what the graphics look like and how you can ride a train line that you had made. And like I said, I don't know if this is taping or not. We'll find out. We don't have quite a full line, 18 out of 28 people. We're doing 37 kilometers per hour. I wish I could change that to miles. The Swiss company made this though, so. Now I put this rail line so that it would go through this forest just so there wasn't endless grass lines on the trip. Not real big or deep forest. Palm trees. And here we come. I got a fixed down right there. I screwed it up a little bit. It should be like this, only going the other way. It does look fairly nice. I mean, the graphics and everything. We're coming into Baltimore right about now. Yeah, there's the thing. Okay. I'm gonna making money, that's good. I'm not going to save this.